Two sessions of free practice to let the drivers learn the track, to set up the car and to adapt the car to the track. Here in Santiago we have a quite specific track. It's very bumpy. It will be a very interesting track. It's a track where we'll clearly see the difference between the cars and the drivers. We can expect a lot of show and a lot of fight on track, and I think we can expect quite big difference between the drivers on that very difficult track. Then we will have the qualification. So qualification in Formula E has a specific format. There is 4 groups of 5 drivers. Race format is very specific of Formula E. It is the only championship where we race against the clock and against the other drivers also, but we need to race with a limited amount of energy, which means that each driver has 2 cars. So each car is one battery. So they change of car in the middle of the race, as if any other series will refuel. Here we have no fuel, of course. It is fully electric cars, and this is the real challenge of Formula E. Formula E challenge is to push the technology, the electric technology, to have the car as efficient as possible and to make the best use of the energy available in the batteries. So this is the real challenge. Qualifying is a real race to have the speed, to have the best lap time as possible. And during the race, we have to be as efficient as possible to make the best use of the energy available. And that is the big challenge for the manufacturer which are fighting in that championship. We have to push the energy to optimize the speed of the car and to make the best use on the powertrain, which is the motor, the gearbox, and the rear axle, to make the car as efficient as possible. So if we make the comparison with the road cars, in road cars the challenge is to be able to go as far as possible and to have the longer range possible with electric cars, which is a bit the difficulty at the moment. And in Formula E, distance is fixed because we have to race on a certain number of laps, of course, but we have a limited energy and we have to go as quick as possible with that energy.